Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds E and I. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the E sound in the word sheep. Sheep, sheep. Now the I sound in the word ship. Ship, ship. Now I will use them both in a sentence. They ship sheep. They ship sheep. They ship sheep. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.